fall in love, make sure you get some money. Then use your eyes to see, not one you say you love. Don't look with your eyes, 'cause the end of the day, you say happy birthday, you're gone away, hey. And then a stranger came in your mind, but you forget to remember that you are still the 9 months old. You accept that you are changing. You believe that you are now the age. The next time you have to fall in love, don't use your eye. Get some money, then you can count it. When you do everything she wants, you can buy it. Maybe when you get a teddy boy that wants all the money, don't use your eyes, use the money to fall in love. What's the use using your eyes when you fall asleep tonight? In the night you sleep, you cannot see anyone to love. Are you the one who say you are in love? Is it you? Tell me when you are gonna be in the bedroom tonight to fall asleep in the darkness. Are you the one? Don't use your eyes to fall in love, because money is the key. Give us for the money you want us. But yesterday it was just your eyes.